so I am unable to see you. But recording is going on. So just let me know first that all of you have completed your habitat worksheet. Yes, class.
जो मैं सुबह को जाके उठूंगा।
Let me know everyone. All of you have completed your habitat worksheet. Yes, beta. All of you are able to hear me? Yes, class.
Yes.
Teacher, I make science power habitat science topic.
Yes, we have
Habitat.
completed. We have completed our habitat chapter now. So all of you have to complete your habitat worksheet. If you didn't complete any worksheet yet, so you have to complete before your zero term assessment. Okay, if you have any problem regarding your worksheet, so you can ask me anytime at my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now, from today we'll start our new chapter, conductors and insulators. Everyone,
टीचर आई वाज लेट, आप मुझे बताना।
beta, all of you,
was late.
okay, I'm repeating again my points. All of you should have to complete your all worksheet related to chapter habitats, okay, before your zero term assessment. And you have to give your quiz. You have to give your all quiz because your marks because this was included in your zero term assessment. Okay. Now today we will start our topic new chapter, conductors and insulators. So everyone take out your worksheet pad, a rough copy and a pen pencil along with you to note down your lecture. Okay everyone. So just let me know first, all of you are able to hear me because my internet is going very bad. Just let me know everybody. Yes, beta.
यस टीचर।
All of you are able to hear me clearly?
यस।
Okay. So take out your copies, take out your worksheet pad and a rough copy and pencil pen along with you. I am going to share a screen with you about conductors and insulator chapter. Okay, beta? So I'm going to mute all your mics, beta. Okay. So today our topic is about conductors and insulators. Okay, our new chapter is conductors and insulators. Write down your topic name, conductors and insulators. Okay, everyone. So, how many students have joined? 13 students. Okay, Samir is there also. And let's wait. Zainab Zafar is also there. Okay, so look at the picture carefully. There is a saucepan and a hand. A man touches a saucepan. So what is happening? What will you feel? What will you feel? What will you feel if you keep your hand near the hot saucepan? You will feel warm. What do you feel? If you keep your hand near the hot saucepan, you will feel warm. Look at the picture again. If you keep your hand near the hot saucepan, what do you feel? Obviously, you will feel warm. Okay. So you know warmth is caused by heat inside the saucepan. Warmth कैसे produce हो रही है? आपको warm कैसे feel हो रही है? Because heat is inside the saucepan. We have a hot water. ठीक है, हमारे पास जो saucepan है इसके अंदर क्या है? Hot water है. And due to this hot water, we feel warm. Okay. and hot water is releasing heat energy. Hot water, what the hot water is doing? Hot water is releasing heat energy to the environment. In our environment, where the hot saucepan is placed, they release heat energy into the environment. Okay? Clear all of you? Again, I am repeating my points. What will you do if you keep your hand near the saucepan, hot saucepan? So what will you feel? You will feel warm. You know warmth is caused by, how do you feel warm? Because warmth is caused by heat. Heat. Heat कौन produce कर रहा है? Inside the saucepan we have a hot water. काशी कैसे produce हो रही है? Inside the saucepan we have a hot water. And a hot water is releasing heat energy in the environment, due to which we feel warm. Okay? Clear all of you? Now heat is getting transfer also. How the heat get transfer? Heat कैसे transfer होती है? Okay? How the heat get transfer? Again look at the picture carefully. We have two saucepans and two hands. Okay? One hand is also burned by other. One hand is also burned by other hand. ठीक है? दोनों हाथ जल रहे हैं कैसे? How? How is it possible that two hands are burned by each other? Can heat travel through iron? क्या heat travel कर रही है? Why the both hands are burning? Why the both hands are burning? Because heat is getting transferred to. Everyone is able to hear me? Just let me know. Yes, Hamad. Everyone is able to hear me? Just let me know, beta. All of you are able to hear me, class? Students? All of you are able to hear me, class?
Teacher, your voice is very much cutting.
Now you are able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Again, I am repeating my topic.
Yes, teacher.
Again, I am repeating my
Yes,
topic.
teacher.
Okay, everyone? Again, I am repeating my topic from slide number 1. Okay. Note down your topic again. What we have learned? What do you feel? Look at the picture carefully. What do you feel if you keep your hand near the hot saucepan? What do you feel? You feel warm. When you place your hand near the hot saucepan, you feel the warm. So you know warmth is caused by heat inside the saucepan. आपको warm कैसे feel हो रहा है? Why? Because we have a hot water inside the saucepan, and a hot water is releasing heat energy, That's why we feel. That's why I feel heat. Okay. Now in next slide, look at the picture carefully. Why the both hands are burning? दोनों हाथ क्यों जल रहे हैं? Why the both hands are burning? Because if the flame is touching very little part of the. Why the both hands are burning? Can anyone tell me? Yes. I am going to unmute your mic. Can anyone tell me why the both hands are burning? Who will tell?
Teacher.
Why the both hands are burning? The picture show
Teacher,
you
your
what?
voice. There is body.
Teacher, because
Why?
they are near the saucepan.
They are both near the saucepan. But what is the valid reason? According to you, what is the valid reason that why the both hands are burning? Okay, I will tell you the reason, class. I will tell you the reason, class. Why the both hands are transferred? Why the both hands are burning? Because heat is getting transferred. Because heat is getting transferred from one hand to another hand. Because heat is getting transferred from one hand to another hand. That's why both hands are burning. Okay. Now, what will you do if the flame is touching very little part of the pot, and heat which pot gets from the flame has spread in the pot? क्या होगा अगर फ्लेम टच करेगा पॉट के छोटे से पार्ट को, तो क्या होगा? हीट ट्रांसफर होगी ऑल ओवर द पॉट. दैट्स व्हाई द हैंड्स नियर द पॉट. इसलिए जो हैंड पॉट के करीब होगा साथ साथ विल गेट बर्न बिकॉज हीट इज गेटिंग ट्रांसफर थ्रू आयरन and heat can travel through the solids also. ठीक है? That's why the both hands are burning. Why the both hands are burning? Because heat can transfer through iron and through solids also. Okay? So what is the valid answer now? What is the valid answer now? Why the both hands are burning in the previous picture? Why the both hands are burning in the previous picture? Yes, everyone. Why the both hands are burning?
टीचर बिकॉज टीचर क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे के वो हो रही है आसपास.
Because heat is getting transferred. Because heat is getting transferred through iron. Because the saucepan handle is made up from iron. Okay, so that's why, because of the saucepan is made up of iron, and the handle is iron is made up with all are the metals. All are the metals. So which electricity can pass and heat can pass easily through each other. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now I'm going to tell you the, just look at the picture. Okay, everyone clear why the both hands are burning? Because heat is getting transferred through a different solid. Okay, now look at the picture carefully. In a glass jar, we have scale, a wooden pencil, a caliper, okay, a metal stick over here. So the question is, can heat transfer through all materials? क्या heat तमाम material से transfer हो सकती है? Yes, who will tell? Shami is here or not? Shami is here. Shami, if you are here, so unmute yourself. Yes, Shami. Shami, just let me know that heat can transfer to all materials. Yes.
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes. Can heat transfer to all materials? All materials means from pencils, from scale. Yes. Yes, everyone.
Teacher, can I tell?
No, teacher,
Can
teacher,
heat,
because the heat would do not transfer heat in it.
heat cannot transfer through all materials. Why? I will tell you the reason. Okay. Now look at the screen. Okay. Now look at the screen. Look at the picture carefully. We have a wooden pencil, a plastic scale, a caliper which is steel, a metal string. ठीक है? If we give heat these things, अगर मैं इनको heat apply करूँ, for example स्पीकर के नीचे अगर मैं flame on कर दूँ, for example अगर स्पीकर के नीचे मैं flame on कर दूँ, तो क्या होगा? If we give heat these things, after some time, what will you observe? All the things which are made from steel and metals are getting hot from upper and lower side both. अच्छा क्या होगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये कैलिपर किससे मिलके बना है? मेटल से मिलके बना है. ठीक है, और ये मेटल हमारे पास किससे मिलके बना है? ये हमारे पास स्टील का है. अगर मैं इसको हीट सप्लाई करूंगी तो क्या होगा? दे विल गेट हॉट फ्रॉम बोथ साइड, मतलब फ्रॉम अपर एंड लोअर साइड बोथ. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर मैं इसी स्केल को और वुडन पेंसिल को हीट सप्लाई करूंगी तो मुझे ये बताया कि ये दोनों साइड से हीट हॉट हो जाएगा या सिर्फ एक साइड से हॉट होगा, और किस साइड से हॉट होगा मुझे ये भी बताइएगा आंसर। यस, हु विल टेल? अली अहमद। यस अली अहमद। अली अहमद। अली अहमद आ रही है?
वो भी तो मेटल है।
टीचर जहाँ पे
Pencil is
वो
a
ना
metal?
मेटल
Pencil,
कैलिपर
हमारी
नो
प्लास्टिक
टीचर
pencil scale is not a metal. Okay, I am talking about if we give heat to pencil. Okay, listen carefully. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully first. If we give heat, if we give heat to all the things, for example, caliper, a wooden pencil, a scale. Okay, so what will happen? This caliper will get heat from both sides, from upper and lower side both. Okay, but the pencil and scale will get heat from both sides. क्या ये दोनों साइड मतलब ये अपर लोअर साइड दोनों साइड से गर्म हो जाएगा या सिर्फ एक साइड से गर्म होगा? अली अहमद। यस अली अहमद। यस अली अहमद।
टीचर ये एक साइड से गर्म होगा।
फ्रॉम विच साइड अली अहमद? अपर एंड लोअर?
अपर अपर
upper side? Are you sure?
यस
Because we are giving heat from lower side, so how the upper part is getting hot?
ओके
How will you give the heat to lower to a scale? From the upper side or from the lower side?
लोअर लोअर
So which part will get heat?
लोअर
Lower part. And if we give heat to the scaliper, now I am going to ask question to Hammad. Yes, Hammad.
यस मिस।
Just let me know, Beta, if we give heat to the scaliper, which are made of from steel. If we give heat to the metal, so let me know, they get heat from both sides and from one side. Yes.
मिस वन साइड।
Sure? Are you sure? From
Yes,
one
miss.
side on both. Okay. Okay. Now just make you confirm class. When you give, now listen this carefully. If we give this heat thing after some time, what will you observe? All the things which are made from steel, वो तमाम चीजें जो स्टील से मिलके बनी है एंड मेटल से मिलके बनी है, वो अपर एंड लोअर बोथ साइड से क्या हो जाएंगी? गर्म हो जाएंगी, हीट हो जाएंगी। ठीक है, बिकॉज हीट इज गेटिंग ट्रांसफर फॉर बोथ एंड ऑफ द स्टील। ओके, कोई भी चीज जो मेटल से मिलके बनेगी वो दोनों साइड से क्या हो जाएगी? हॉट हो जाएगी, फ्रॉम अपर एंड लोअर साइड बोथ। ओके, but if we transfer heat, but if we transfer heat to pencil and scale, so the heat can only transfer from the lower part. Why? Because heat is not getting transferred from the wooden part, of the material. Okay, so heat is not transferred through all materials. The point is clear that heat cannot transfer through all materials. Heat can only be transferred from the metals. Heat can only transfer from metals. All the things which are made up from metals, heat can only be transferred from that part. Okay, all the things which are made up from wooden, plastic, so heat cannot be transferred from plastic and wooden things. Okay, so clear all of you? जब मैंने इस जार को हीट अप करवाया तो इन दिस जार वी हैव फ्यू थिंग्स, स्केल, पेंसिल, स्कैलिपर, ओके, एंड अ सीजर आल्सो। जब आपने इसको हीट अप करवाया तो व्हाट विल हैपन? स्कैलिपर एंड सीजर बोथ विल गेट हीट फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द part, but scale and pencil gets heat only from the lower part, because heat is not transferred from the upper part of the material. Okay, so clear all of you? Heat is only be transferred through metals. Okay, from plastic and from wooden things heat cannot be transferred. Now clear all of you? Now come to the next our topic. So what we learned from these topics? Heat can pass through some materials, not all materials. Heat सिर्फ कुछ materials की थ्रू ही पास होती है, सब मटेरियल से हीट पास नहीं होती है, ठीक है। ऑल द थिंग्स विच आर मेड अप फ्रॉम मेटल लाइक स्टील, आयरन, एल्यूमिनियम, इन दिस थिंग heat can be transferred, okay, but you can't transfer the heat from pencil. क्या आप पेंसिल से हीट गुजार सकते हैं? No. Can you transfer the heat from scale? No, you can't transfer the heat from scale, okay. So all the things which are made up from metals, they can transfer heat. They are the good conductors of heat. All the metals are good conductors of heat. ठीक है. Now look at the definition of conductors and insulators. What are conductors? Look at the definition, everyone, carefully at the screen. Any material that allows electric current to pass through it. वो तमाम मटेरियल जो अलाउ करें अपने अंदर से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को पास कराने के लिए, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? कंडक्टर, ठीक है। एनी मटेरियल दैट अलाउज इलेक्ट्रिक करंट टू पास थ्रू इट इट्स कॉल्ड कंडक्टर। हियर आर सम एग्जांपल्स। कॉपर, आप लोगों ने कॉपर की वीडियो देखी होंगी ना, क्योंकि कॉपर वायरिंग होती है, कॉपर के वायर्स होते हैं और सिल्वर वायर्स होते हैं, इन तमाम में से हीट इजीली पास हो सकती है, ठीक है। एल्यूमिनियम, वी हैव सो मेनी यूटेंसिल्स व्हिच आर मेड अप फ्रॉम एल्यूमिनियम। स्टील, स्टील के आपके पास घर में बहुत सारे यूटेंसिल्स होते हैं जो हम घर में खाना बनाने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, तो उससे भी क्या हो जाती है? हीट पास हो जाती है, ठीक है। सो दीज आर द फ्यू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द कंडक्टर। Any metal, all the metals which are made, all the metals can transfer heat from it, okay, this is called conductor. Now come to the insulator. Any material that does not allow electric current, जो अपने अंदर से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को पास ना होने दे, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इंसुलेटर, ठीक है। इन पेंसिल्स यू कांट पास थ्रू द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, फॉर एग्जांपल लुक एट द एग्जांपल प्लास्टिक। क्या प्लास्टिक में से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास आउट कर सकते हैं? नो। योर रबर, इरेजर, क्या आप किसी इरेजर से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास आउट कर सकते हैं? नो, ठीक है। ग्लास, क्या आप किसी ग्लास से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास आउट कर सकते हैं? नो। ऑल द क्लोथ, वुड, these all are the materials which cannot allow the heat to pass through it. This is called insulator, ठीक है। clear all of you? अभी हम आगे इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस करेंगे तो और क्लियर हो जाएगा that what are conductors and what are insulators. Now is metal the only material that conduct electrical energy? क्या सिर्फ मेटल ही वो चीज है जो अपने अंदर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पास आउट होने देती है? आपके दिमाग में कोई ऐसी चीज है तो किसी और मटेरियल? Yes, everyone, just let me know, is there any material that can allow the heat to pass through it? कोई ऐसा मटेरियल आपके दिमाग में है जिसके अंदर से हीट इजीली पास आउट हो जाए? Who will tell the answer? Who will tell the answer? Yes, class. Who will tell the answer? All of you are able to hear me, class? Yes. Yes. All of you are able to hear me? जी, शमीर। Yes, शमीर। Yes, Shami. Unmute yourself and just let me know.